Okay, Mia, are you ready to try?
I don't know, Dad. What if I fall? I'm scared.
It's okay to be scared. Everyone feels that way at first. I'll hold the bike. You won't fall.
Promise?
I promise. Now, put your hands here. Good. Put your feet on the pedals.
Like this?
Perfect. Now, I'm gonna push you slowly. Try to balance. Keep your eyes forward, not down.
Whoa, it's moving. Dad, don't let go.
I'm right here. You're doing great. Keep pedaling.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Yes.
Keep going.
That's it. You're doing all right. Whoa, balance, balance.
Ow. I fell. I can't do this. It's too hard.
Are you hurt?
Are you okay? No, I fell. I want to stop. Hey, listen. I fell too when I learned. Many, many times.
Really? Really? But you ride so fast now. That's because I didn't give up. Every time I fell, I tried again. That's the secret.
Your sister is right. Falling is part of learning. Do you want to try one more time?
Okay. One more time.
Just remember, balance, eyes forward, keep pedaling. Ready?
Ready.
Oh, that's it. You're doing it. Keep going.
Mia, look! Dad let go! You're riding alone!
I'm doing it! I'm doing it! I'm doing it! I'm doing it!
Did you see? I did it! I'm so proud of you!
You were scared, but you tried again. That was very brave. How do you feel?
I feel proud. Can I ride again? I want to go faster.
Slow down, champion. Let's practice more first.
Race you to the tree. You're on.
Wait for your old dad!